Welcome to our news updates. Federal Judge Aileen Cannon issued an order Wednesday outlining what Donald Trump and his lawyers can do with classified information as part of their legal battle in the Mar-a-Lago government documents case. In June, the former president was indicted on a total of 37 counts related to his handling of classified documents after he left office. The indictment included 31 counts of willfully withholding national defense information and 1 count each of conspiracy to obstruct justice, withholding a document or record, corruptly concealing a document or record, concealing a document as part of a federal investigation, etc. to hide, as well as false statements and representations. Before we continue, please support us by clicking on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell for more updates. The charges arose following an investigation by Justice Department Special Prosecutor Jack Smith. As part of this investigation, the FBI searched Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida in August 2022 and seized more than 100 classified documents. Trump has denied any wrongdoing in the case and has pleaded not guilty to the charges. In his order, Cannon, a U.S. district judge in Florida, wrote, "Any classified documents or materials and the information contained therein shall remain secret unless the documents or materials bear a clear indication that the secrecy is authorized by the agency or department is the agency that created the document, material, or information contained therein," Cannon wrote in his order. He continued, "The defendant may disclose confidential information to the defense to the extent necessary to prepare his defense. Any confidential information provided to the defense by the government or the defendant should be used solely by the defense and solely for the purpose of preparing the defense," said Ty Cobb, an attorney and member of Trump's legal team from 2017 to 2018. Newsweek said Cannon's order is standard procedure in classified information cases and isn't really a win for anyone, just the way things are done. "I wouldn't put much stock in dismissing Trump's defense, but that's always been the problem with Trump's defense. This is not consistent with what the law says," Cobb said. Since his indictment in the Mar-a-Lago case, Trump has claimed that as president he could declassify government materials just by thinking about it, as he told Fox News' Sean Hannity last September. "I think it would be fair to say, citing the current law, that it contradicts Trump's theory that he has the ability to release things at will and implicitly rejects them," he told Cobb. "But I think it's a bit of a distortion just because that's what most orders say. One can fairly distinguish," he added, "between statements previously made by Trump that are totally contradictory to the former president's alleged defense stand," he added. In Florida, Palm Beach County Attorney Dave Aronberg told Newsweek that Cannon's order was a victory for the government because the documents would remain secret unless there was a clear lead. "That means a release through mental telepathy won't be enough," he said. Asked whether Cannon's order limits Trump's release powers, Aronberg said it limits his ability to access classified material. "I wouldn't say she has limited her powers to release," he said. "She poured cold water on his claims that he released the documents without clear instructions." Cannon's order also rejected Trump's legal team's request to re-establish a segregated classified information facility at Mar-a-Lago, which the former president's lawyers argued in August was a more efficient use of resources. That order bypassed or largely bypassed Mr. Trump's rather absurd demands for how he could access and discuss information currently classified by the government were flatly rejected, attorney Bradley Moss told Newsweek. Moss continued, "Unless Mr. Trump files a successful motion to challenge the classified status of documents subject to the Classified Information Procedures Act, CIPA, all documents will be deemed to be classified, and access will be limited to a SCIF or equivalent right. Location designed by the government security official. Not because of Mr. Trump." Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.